You will love the features of this 2021 Toyota Camry. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer. Here's an elegant, high-performing Camry that infuses every drive with confidence and distinctive style. It offers a host of standard-setting features, all backed by Toyota's excellent reputation for quality and reliability. From its suite of smart safety tech, to its spacious, luxurious interior, to its muscular power, to its chiseled lines, this sedan will exceed your expectations. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: sun, moonroof, keyless entry, backup camera, power passenger seat, satellite radio, power driver seat, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, dual zone AC, heated front seat. Aggressively seductive, solidly practical. We can't wait to introduce you to this exquisite Camry. Come in today and let our knowledgeable staff put you in the driver's seat.